Namaskar dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda. We are discussing complex numbers, G troubleshooting. Okay, we have some problems today asked by students as difficulties. Okay, so first of all, this is some concept for you. Cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity in simple word, we have to find out cube root of 1. Okay, now see, if x is cube root of 1, then x cube will be equal to 1. Okay, so x cube equals to 1, so x cube minus 1 equals to 0. So factors will be x minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Implies that x equals to 1 or x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A will be equal to 1, b will be equal to 1, c will be equal to 1, and we know that b equals to b square minus 4ac. So here b is 1, so 1 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 1. So it is minus 3. We know that I square equals to minus 1. So I can write here 3 into minus 1, that is 3i square. So x will be equal to minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a, that will be equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. Hence, either x will be equal to minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 or x will be equal to minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. If we consider this as omega, generally it is considered as omega. In that case, square of this will be this, say, omega square, that will be equal to minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 whole square, that will be equal to 1 minus 2 root 3i plus 3i square by 4, and that will be equal to 1 minus 2 root 3i, this is minus 3 by 4. So it is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 root 3i by 4, that will be equal to this one. So if I consider this as omega, this is omega square. So cube roots of unity are, see, first value was x equals to 1, so omega, so 1, then this is omega and this is omega square. There is a property that if we add these three, it will become 0. 1 plus omega square equals to 0. We can check here. 1 plus omega square equals to 1 plus this one, okay? Minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 plus this one, that is minus 1 minus root 3i by 2, okay? In that case, see, 2 will be LCM, okay? So 2 minus 1 plus root 3i minus 1 minus root 3i by 2, so it will become 0, okay? So keep in mind that 1 plus omega square is 0, where 1 omega and omega square are the cube roots of unity. Okay, now omega cube is 1. Okay, so omega raised to 4 will become omega cube into omega, and that is now omega cube is 1. Okay, hence 1 into omega, so omega raised to 4 is omega. Now if I write omega raised to 5, it can be written as omega cube into omega square. This is 1. So the answer will be omega square. Now if I write omega raised to 6, we know that omega raised to 6 can be written as omega cube whole square, that is 1 square, that is 1. So these are some results you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now we can solve these problems. This one, okay? Square root of 15 plus 8i plus square root of 15 minus 8i. We will solve it by simple method because in JEE we don't have that much time. So simple method is this: square root of 15 plus 8i plus square root of 15 minus 8i can be written as square root of, now see, this 8, okay, can be written as this 15 can be written as 15 plus 2 into 4i plus square root of 15 minus 2 into 4i. Okay, so now this 15 can be written as 16 minus 1 plus 2 into 4i plus square root of 16 minus 1 minus 2 into 4i can be written as square root of, now see, 16 can be written as 4 square plus 2 into 4i, and this minus 1 can be written as I square. Similarly here it is 4 square minus 2 into 4i plus I square. Okay, these are quick methods. Okay, so square root of 4 plus I whole square plus square root of 4 minus I whole square, that is 4 plus I plus 4 minus I, so the answer is 8. Okay, next one. Square root of 8 plus 6i minus square root of 8 minus 6i. Again same method. Okay, we can write like this: 9 minus 1 plus 2 into 3i minus square root of 9 minus 1 minus 2 into 3i can be written as square root of 3 square plus 2 into 3i plus I square minus square root of 3 square minus 2 into 3i plus I square. This minus 1 is I square. Okay? So equals to square root of 3 plus I whole square minus square root of 3 minus I whole square can be written as 3 plus I minus 3 minus I. So these 3 will be cancelled. The answer will be 2i. Okay? Answer will be 2i. This is shortcut method. Okay? Use it. Now, sigma of I raised to m. M is from 1 to 4n plus 3. We have to find out the value. Okay? What is the shortcut method? Put n equals to 1. Okay? So it will become sigma 1 2. If I put here 1, it will be 7. Okay? I raised to m. These are the values of m. Okay? So I have to write I raised to 1 plus I square plus I cube plus I raised to 4 plus I raised to 5 plus I raised to 6 plus I raised to 7. So this is I, this is minus 1. Okay? This is minus I. Can be written as I square into I, so minus I. This is I square square, that is minus 1 square, that is plus 1. This is plus 1 into I, because I raised to 4 into I. Let me explain it in detail. Can be written as I plus minus 1 plus I square into I plus I square square plus I raised to 4 into I plus I square cube plus I raised to 6 into I. Can be written as I minus 1. Now this is minus 1, so minus I. This will become minus 1 square, that is plus 1. This will become plus 1 into I, that is plus I. This is minus 1 cube, that is minus 1. And this is minus 1 cube into I, so minus I. Okay? So see, this I and minus I cancels. This minus 1 and plus 1 cancels. Okay? This I and minus I cancels. So answer is minus 1. A. Okay? And finally, if alpha and beta are the imaginary cube roots of unity, then we have to find out this. We know that there are 3 cube roots of unity. Okay, 1 omega and omega square. But 1 is real. Okay, so here we have to consider alpha as omega and beta as omega square. Now I can put here alpha raised to 4 plus beta raised to 4 plus 1 upon alpha beta can be written as omega raised to 4 plus omega square raised to 4 plus 1 upon omega into omega square. Can be written as omega raised to 4, I can write omega cube into omega. Omega raised to 8, okay, plus 1 upon omega cube. We know that omega cube is 1, so 1 into omega plus omega raised to 8 can be written as omega raised to 6 into omega square plus 1 upon 1. So this is omega plus we know that this is 1 into omega square plus 1. So 1 plus omega square. But we know that answer is 0. Bye.